Wow, trees, so useless. I'm gonna chop them all down.
Oh no, there's a tree dying. We have to stop this.
Let's go!
Break me, Marshall! I need a lumberjack.
Huh? Here's the lumberjack. You ready to fight?
Stop it, you're being very mean. You will pay for this.
It's not cool to cut down trees. I'm gonna defreeze you. And I'm gonna take you somewhere where you will learn not to cut down the trees. It will be hell for you, but at least you will learn. Come on, Lil. Take it.
No, you'll understand. I'm not telling you. Yeah.
I will tell you.
Are you sure about that?
No, why are you on the ground? Nobody pushed you. Okay.
I know.
I'm gonna chop them all down.
That sounds great. Yay! Give it up for Marcial. One more time. No.
No.
Give me a hug. Give me a hug.
Una